lot of places in Florida that are known for being family friendly, and Tallahassee has a lot to offer too, including at the top of the list, I would say, the Tallahassee Museum. I feel like it's so much more than we expected because they do have indoor exhibits, but there is so much to explore outdoors. And anytime we can get outdoors as a family, away from the chores, away from the routine, it brings us closer together. This was a great chance for us to step out of our comfort zone and experience new things, from the zip lining to all the animals. This was above and beyond, literally above and beyond my expectations. I felt like I was in an Indiana Jones type situation. You know what? I didn't quite know what to expect, which is probably good, because if I had known, maybe would have backed out. But I'm glad I did it.
I'm so proud Mommy did the zip line. I thought Mommy was scared.